Hello, my name is Rocío Colmenares, and this is a spoken essay for video people versus the school system. Education throughout the age has been evolving, but we can still see in various classrooms of our environment how we continue with the traditional school. We were continue to think that a student and machine that do not have the ability to think are living side behind an individual entity and generalize their learning within the group. Although the school must generalize substantial change in students throughout their school years, we find that there are no chance the curricula continue to be the same and do not adapt to the context of the globalized world. The custom in education should be to prepare the student explicitly so that they develop in the future, without being dependent on others and becoming competent in the way proposed. Today, we can see how students are trained for work for factories or companies that seek to enslave for a low salary. They no longer consider criteria, creative thinking, the ability to perform, and any field, to analyze capacity or the human being towards our study. We can realize that the bad educational practice has made in the learning of students now based in the needs, generalized learning, and ending with dreams effectively losing their talents. Teacher professionalization has been devalued so much that salaries are not comparable with those of other professions. Teachers give the best of themselves for a human being and prepared for society and still does not give the recognition they deserve. Another important factor has to do with the training that is given to students regarding a standardized test that over time has become rudimentary, unfollowed, and leaves the student bodiless in terms of the position with others. It is necessary to improve the quality of the education, to try to force society to make changes that underline the transformation of the human being in a positive and consistent view of what an environment should have, and this way continue thinking that the teacher must have a third role in the chance. Thank you very much.